Hello students, today I have come with my 24th lecture video which belongs to Geography chapter 2, the short question answer. Question number F1. All students are requested to open their books, copies and pen and write the question answer of chapter 2. Short answer question. Question number F1 is number F1 is what do you understand by the parallels of latitude? पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड से आप क्या समझते हैं? मेंशन सम ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड. द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज द imaginary lines on a globe which run horizontally in east-west direction parallel to equator are called parallels of latitude. Now, the second part is mention some of the important parallels of latitude. Answer is some of the important parallels of latitude are. Here are 6 parallels of latitude are given. Equator 0 degree, North Pole 90 degree north, South Pole 90 degree south, Tropic of Cancer 23 whole 1 by 2 degree north or 23.5 degree north. Fifth number, Tropic of Capricorn 23 whole 1 by 2 degree south or 23.5 degree south. Sixth, Arctic Circle 66 whole 1 by 2 degree north or 66.5 degree north, and that's all. The question number 2 is what do you understand by the meridians of longitude? Where is prime meridian located? There are 2 questions. Answers are also given here. The angular distance measured east or west of prime meridian is called longitude. They run in north-south direction from one pole to another or north pole to south pole. It is also measured in degrees, minutes and seconds. These meridians of longitude intersect the parallels of latitude at right angle. Second part is where is prime meridian located? The answer of this question is prime meridian passes through Greenwich in England. It is called 0 degree longitude. Third question is what do you understand by the term heat zones? Explain with the help of diagram. Your answer is based on the amount of solar energy received. सोलर एनर्जी को प्राप्त करने के आधार पर each hemisphere is divided into 3 heat zones. They are the torrid zone, the temperate zone and the frigid zone. I explain first the torrid zone. It is the area between the Tropic of Cancer in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south. The sun's rays fall vertically in this zone, so it has very hot temperature throughout the year. That's all. The second point is the temperate zone. The second point is temperate zone. It is the area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north, and that between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the south. Here, the sun's rays are slanting, so this zone has moderate temperature, neither too hot nor too cold. Third zone is frigid zone. It lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. These regions are permanently frozen. ये क्षेत्र सालों भर बर्फ से ढके रहते हैं, because they receive extremely slanting rays of the sun. It has 6 months of daylight and 6 months of night. Here you must mention the diagram which are given in page number 152, different heat zones of the earth. You write the answer and draw the figure, page number 152 of heat zone. Now, fourth question is, what is a grid? ग्रिड क्या है? खिड़की की तरह का जो नमूना तैयार होता है पैरेलल ऑफ लैटिट्यूड और पैरेलल ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड से, उसे हम ग्रिड कहते हैं. यू राइट द आंसर along with two basic points of the references, the North Pole and the South Pole. Two sets of imaginary lines are drawn. They intersect each other at the right angle on the face of the earth and form the grid. These two sets of lines are known as parallels of latitude, east to west, and meridians of longitude, north to south. The next question is, fifth question is, briefly explain Indian Standard Time. The answer is, in India, the local time of the 82.1/2 degree east meridian has been selected as the standard time. This meridian is selected as the standard time. This is known as the Indian Standard Time or IST. The full form of IST is Indian Standard Time. It passes through Naini near Allahabad, which lies roughly at the center of the country. The time of India would be 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). Greenwich Mean Time से 5.5 घंटा आगे का टाइम इंडिया में होता है. सपोज अगर 12 बज रहा है GMT पर, तो एट द सेम टाइम इंडिया में 5:30 का समय होगा. That's all. Next question 6. What is international dateline? International dateline, IDL. The international dateline is an imaginary line of longitude on the Earth's surface located at about 180 degree east or west. इसे ईस्ट कहें या वेस्ट कहें, 180 डिग्री एक ही है. ऑफ द प्राइम मेरिडियन एट ग्रीनविच. इफ वन मूव्स, अगर कोई मूव्स करता है फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन टुवर्ड्स द east, one will lose a day, और if one travels, कोई यात्रा करे, to the west, पश्चिम की ओर, one will gain one day. Seventh question is, what do you mean by local time? Answer is, local time refers to the time at the place of observation. जहाँ से हम ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं वहाँ के टाइम को लोकल टाइम कहेंगे. Watches set according to the motion of the sun gives local time of a particular area or the places located on the same lines of longitude. That's all. Now question number G. Students, you open your book. Question number G. The first question's answer is written in F3. G1 का आंसर F के 3 में है. G1 का आंसर F3 में. G3 का आंसर F, G1 का आंसर F3, ये दोनों सेम आंसर है. G के 2 का आंसर है F के 5 में. G2 और F5 सेम आंसर है. और G4 और F1 सेम आंसर है. इसलिए आप G नहीं भी लिखेंगे तो काम चलेगा. That's all. Now in next lecture video I come with question answer of chapter 3.